Hi everyone, and welcome to your stress release flow. I have designed this practice to not only release tension from your physical body, but also hopefully your emotional body. We're going to start today lying down on our backs. Lie down with me. You're going to let your knees open to the sides. Your feet are going to touch as long as this is comfortable. You're going to place your hands on your low belly and just close your eyes with me. I want you to feel the energy surrounding your body, hoping that you can find a little stillness, release, relaxation within your breath. It's those times when we can become a little bit more aware, a little bit less stressed, and hopefully our bodies feel good and relaxed in this moment. I invite you to take a deep inhale in for 3, 2, 1. Exhale it out for 3, 2, 1. Let's repeat. Inhale in 3, 2, 1. Exhale it out 3, 2, 1. With your mind a little bit more clear, inhale through the nose. Exhale, let it go. Again, inhale through the nose. Exhale, let it go. And just really breathe in and out gently. Feel the energy around you. Very slowly let your eyes open. Good. And then you're going to bring your knees together ever so slowly. We're going to hug the right knee into the chest. The left leg is going to go long on the earth. Inhale, pulling your knee in nice and tight. Exhale, pushing the left leg forward as if you were standing. Let's move into half happy baby. So right hand comes to the outside of your right foot, or you can also hold your calf muscle or your hamstring, depending on your tightness. You're going to pull the left knee down into the left armpit. And I just want you to feel the energy of your knee slowly moving closer and closer down to your armpit. Good. One more breath. Exhale, bend your knee, plant your foot, and then just let your right knee fall open and closed here. So just feel that energy moving in and out. And then lay the leg down. Hug your left knee gently into your chest. Exhale, give it some love. And then again, half happy baby on the left. Exhale, pull your knee in and down as you feel the space here in your leg. As your knee comes towards your armpit, push with the opposing foot. Take this really nice deep stretch. One more full round of breath. Exhale, you're going to plant your left foot. Then you're just going to let your knee open and close. 3, 2, 1. Good. Exhale, bend your knees and plant your feet. Gently bridge your hips up to the sky. Your hands are down. Lift up through the belly muscles. Exhale, melt down slowly. Good. Feet are flat. Inhale, lift up again. Use your glutes. Press, press, press. Exhale, very slowly lower. And then from there, pull your knees tightly into your tummy. Open mouth, let it go. Good. We're going to rock 3 times to bring ourselves up to seated, okay? 1. Nice work. Rock for 2. 1 more with me. 3. Good. Arrive seated nice and tall. And we're going to take our arms up for a simple twist to the right. So you're going to gaze behind you. Exhale, tuck the chin. Feel the release in your low back. Good. Soften any area that's causing you pain or tension. And then inhale, lengthen, reach up. Exhale, seated twist to your left. Look over the back shoulder bone And then exhale, tuck your chin in and down, releasing any tension. Good. When we're ready, we're going to shift forward, make our way to tabletop. So join me here, hands and knees, please. Spread your fingers wide. We're going to tuck the toes as we inhale, stick out the bum, elevate the heart, really reach through. Exhale, tuck the chin, create some rounding here, and then move your hips back and forth, creating a little bit of movement in the low back as you shift that energy forward and back. Good. Inhale, sway the spine as you look forward and up. Exhale, tuck the chin as you round your spine. Good. Inhale, sway. Exhale, tuck. Perfect. From there, you're going to keep your toes tucked. Sit back on your heels if you can. Try to feel this nice stretch. Option 1, you can keep your hands down. Option 2, hands to thighs. Option 3, bring your chest up as you feel your heels move closer together. You're going to take your hands open behind you. Interlace your fingers. We're going to move into rabbit pose. So you're going to glide your knuckles down your butt. You're going to shift forward so that your head gets really close to your knees. And then we're going to pop up into the top of our head as we start to move our knuckles forward, pushing down on the top of the head, working through the low back, a nice deep stretch for 3. Breathe in and out for 2. Exhale, untuck your toes, sit back on your heels, slowly bring the spine to an upright position. Nice. Exhale when you're ready, tuck your toes, give me a gentle press to down dog, and then walk your hands to the back of your mat and find your feet nice and open. Grab opposite elbows and we're just going to sway left and right. My back just released a nice little tightness here. You might feel that the swaying feels good on your back. Release your hands, exhale, fold. Take your left hand out in front of you, bend your left knee. You can put your left hand on a block. Raise your right arm all the way up and open. So really deep stretch here. 3. Good. 2. Exhale, right hand comes down. Bend your right knee. Inhale, left arm reaches up to the sky. 3. Gaze up if you want to. 2. Good. Fold forward as you exhale, release the breath. Heel toe your feet apart for Malasana. That's your deep squat. Place your elbows on the insides of your legs. Pull your thumbs to heart center. Open your heart. Right arm extends in front of you. Left arm reaches open. Half bind if you'd like to with your left arm. Peel your left chest open. Good. Reach up and over as your hands gather to heart center. Left arm reaches out to the left now. Right arm rises. Open up. Exhale, half bind. Roll your shoulder open. 3. 2. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Fold forward as you exhale. Reach behind your right ankle. Reach behind your left ankle. Bend your knees. Pull them into your outer shoulders. Straighten your legs. Drop your head. 3. Lift up with your butt. You've got this. 2. Good. Release. Exhale. Slowly walk it out to plank just for a moment. And then from there, we're going to lower your knees, bend your elbows so your chest can come down, then your chin, and then we'll slither through, coming into baby cobra. So pull your elbows in, lift your chest just a little bit. Exhale, lower. Again, lift just a little bit. And lower. And then move your body over to the left side of your mat. Your right arm's going to reach out to the right. Your right ear is going to roll down. And you're going to roll onto your right side. Bend your left knee. Plant your foot behind you. Left hand to left leg if you want. Feel the opening here in the hips. Good. Feel the opening in your right chest and shoulders. Feel the opening through the pecs on the right, or the pec, and all the other muscles. Exhale, gently come through center. Same thing to the left, so shimmy slightly to the right, left arm reaches. Rock and roll, so bend your right knee, plant your foot behind you. Right hand to right thigh, gently push the hand into the leg as you create some opening. 3. Breathe in and out. 2. Good. Exhale. 1. And then you're going to slowly shift back onto your tummy. Inhale, Sphinx pose. So drop the forearms. Elevate your heart for me and pull your chest through. Good. Breath in. Breath out. Bend your knees. Sway a little bit from side to side. Exhale, release the legs. We're going to push back into our first child's pose. So go flat to your stomach and then press into your hands and knees. Exhale, you're going to bring your knees together. Sit on your heels and now try to bring your hands back. Hold on to your heels. 3. Let your shoulders round over the knees. Full balasana. 2. Exhale, roll up the spine. Sorry, Siri started talking to me. And then relax your shoulders. Tuck your chin into your chest. Feel your head hang heavy. And then inhale, lift your chest through. Return back to tabletop. We're going to take the right leg, reach it back, push through the ball of the foot. Exhale, switch. Left knee presses back, left leg pushing through the ball of your foot. Beautiful. Exhale, make your way to seated, extending both legs out in front of you nice and long. Driving your sit bones down into the earth and your arms to the sky. Take a full breath in, lift up through your ribs, please. Engage the core. Exhale, fold forward, round the spine. 3. Good. Find some softness in your back. 2. And then very carefully on 1, you're going to use your slow body to bring your spine all the way up carefully. Scoot your bum forward, lay down onto your backs. Nice job, everyone. Hug your knees in. Nice, slow, controlled, no stress added to the body flow. Right ankle crosses over left leg. And just simply feed the right arm through. Hug the left knee in. Give yourself a rock from left to right slowly. Massaging the back, stretching out your right hip. Good. Exhale, release and switch. Left ankle crosses. Right knee comes in. And then again, we massage side to side. 3, 2, 1. Bend your knees, plant your feet, return to the bridge pose from the beginning. Elevate your hips, use your butt, hold for 3, 2. Slowly lower on 1. Place your hands on your legs, provide some traction as you release in the low back, maybe even opening and closing your knees as you feel the stretch. Right leg lays down, left leg meets it. Palms face up, close your eyes, Shavasana. We're not here for long, so just enjoy a nice, slow, and relaxed breath where you feel good energy running through your body. Beautiful, strong, good energy. Two more breaths, please. You're more than welcome to roll to your favorite side, right or left, or you can pull your knees into your chest, which is what I'm going to do. And when you roll to your side, your knees will come in too. Good. Exhale, gently make your way up to seated, or you can stay on your side. You don't have to sit up if you don't want to. Sit up really tall, gather your hands to your heart, close your eyes. Set your intention to continue this sensation of reducing stress and hopefully feeling a little bit more relaxed and grounded. Beautiful job giving back to your body. Let's bow forward, namaste. Thank you so much for practicing. Nice job, everybody.